Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix 7p plus app not working. So let's get started. So at here we can see the 7 plus app. So if it's not work, you have to follow these instructions. So at here we can see it. So we'll just click on here, then click on this I button. After that you have to scroll down and go to the storage and clear the storage. Then you have to go back. So at here you have to check for the update. So let's do Google. So here we'll just type for 7 plus app. Okay, so at here you will just install it and you can use it. So if it's not quick, you have to like here reinstall the app. So we'll click on here, uninstall, then install it again and use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.